Laurel, look on the car too. Laurel, look on the car.
Wow. That basket's getting full.
Go look in the flowers. Maybe there's some in the flowers.
Face is all sweaty, buddy.
Look at that name. Look at that name.
There's names on it. No, there's names on them.
The golden egg.
That's yours? That's yours. Oh. That's theirs? Oh, look.
Oh wow, what's that?
Oh, wow.
Oh, boy. You guys better look for your gold ones.
You gotta find it. You gotta look hard for yours.
What I got for you, Bobo.
There you go.
Oh my goodness. Your pansies may not survive
Yeah,
the hunt.
that's okay. I see. It's another gold one. Is that
Oh my
Rachel's?
goodness.
$20.
Whoa, my goodness.
Aunt Bee. Grandma Bee went crazy.
You see some more?
Oh, there's
See some more?
There's more yarn.
See any eggs?
Oh,
You found one. Yay! You see any more over here, Laurel? Over here.
Oh. Here's one.
Hi, Bobo.
Hey. Where's Daddy?
There's a Bobo. Oh, you see the pink one?
Oh, you found it. Uh-oh, can you get it? Oh, good job. I bet there's some more.